In this video, we'll deal with images. Let's jump right into it. As for tables, the first thing we want to do is place the cursor where we want the image to be. I'll click and hit enter a couple of times. Then we open the insert menu and choose image. On the top of this panel, we have different input options, including taking a snapshot, typing the image URL if the image is online, and browsing our Google Drive if the image is there. For now, we'll stick to the first option, which allows us to upload an image that we have on our computer. We can either click the blue button, navigate to the image, select it, and click Open. I'll cancel out for now. Or we can open the folder where that image is, and drag it onto the panel. The upload time depends on the file size, but once it's done, the picture is automatically inserted in the document. Oftentimes, an uploaded image extends from the left to the right margin of the page. But we can resize it by clicking it and using the handles we see all around it. Just click, hold, drag, and release. Keep in mind that by using the corner handles, the image will be scaled down, maintaining its proportions, or aspect ratio. With the side handles instead, the image gets somehow squeezed or distorted. Another important thing to understand is the image layout. Let's click the image. By default, all images are inserted with this inline mode. The easiest way to understand what inline means is to think of the image as if it was a simple character, a letter that we just typed. We can add text before and after the image, but basically the picture is constrained to the line where we placed it as if it was a single character. We don't have the flexibility to move the image around wherever we want, as much as we can't move a single character wherever we want on the page. If we need more flexibility, we have to choose one of the other options, which anchor the image to a certain position inside the document rather than to a line of text. Let's switch to this other document to understand the difference between the two. If we click this image, we can see that it's currently in wrap text mode. This mode allows the text to be present all around the image, depending on where we move it. But we can move it pretty much anywhere we like. We're not constrained to any specific line. Same thing with break text. Only with this option, we create a horizontal break in the text. We can only have text above or below the image. Note that with both of these options, we can set a specific margin. That is the distance between image and text. Okay, let's switch to wrap text and move our image to the far right. When we reach one of the margins, we have this nice guideline showing up and the image snaps into place. Of course, we can move farther to the right, but I'll keep it here. Finally, to delete a picture, we just click it and hit delete or backspace. Okay, we'll keep working on the document in the next video. Hi, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or just want to say hi, please drop me a line in the comment section below. I'm working on a series of videos for people who don't know how to use the computer very well. So please share these videos with relatives and friends who you think may find them informative. Also give it a thumbs up if you can, that always helps. That's all for now. I'm Albi. Take care.